Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing a Amazon haul video, craft supply haul from Amazon. So the first thing I want to show you is these paint brush sets. So it is pretty big. You can compare it to my hand. And yes, for these I will put a link down below because it's much easier to find these orders than the AliExpress one. For AliExpress I have about 5,000 orders, so going one by one is very hard, and their search engine is absolutely a nightmare. And people who shop on AliExpress, they already know that the search engine on Ali is horrible, and even finding old orders is really hard because often the sellers just change the listing, the picture, and the name. Anyways, it can also happen on Amazon, so in case some of the links don't show what I show in the video, it's because the seller has changed the listing and is no longer selling this product. So this is the Venfio Ultra Fine Glitter Powder, and it is in red. Very cute. This is ultra fine. The ounce, I will see how many ounce. Okay, the box does not say how many ounce this is, but you can find it on the description down below in the listing. But this is pretty big, and before I buy anything, I try to read the negative comments, reviews, because if people did not like the product, then I'm not gonna buy it. Makes sense. Alcohol ink. Brea Reese, the brand. Ocean green, lake blue, and sky. 3-piece, 20 milli each. Nice. Hopefully it's good too. Okay, a couple of Sizzix products. This one is texture impression. I actually have a lot more. There's a whole box on the side across the room from me, which has these Amazon buys that I also want to show you. So this will do an indentation in it. Looks good. I mean, it's Sizzix products, so it should be a good quality. I really like buying Sizzix online because, one, it's cheaper than your local craft store. 2, you can always read reviews. And 3, there's more option. This is a 3D texture impression. So this is actually thicker than this one. So, let me see. Yeah. The back always has instruction how to properly use it, because there should be more instruction on the inside, because this one is thicker, a lot thicker than the other one. So this will only need one glass thing. Very nice. Very nice. Very deep. You can really feel the quality difference between this and a one from China. Okay, next one is this. I have something similar but not the same. Computer-y, the inside of a computer. Hard drive, that's it, hard drive. And this one is A6. See, I've never seen this. I shop at Joann's, Michael's, and Hobby Lobby, and I have never seen this. I think they have a very few selected products, because it's best to have just a few and not a lot in case it doesn't sell. This is also 3D. Wow, you can really feel the texture difference from this and the one from China. And it's also thick one. Very nice, very deep and detailed. I'm really excited for this one. Okay, so off camera I've been playing with resin, and here's some of the things I've made so far. These three I just made from the leftovers I had from these. This one, I don't really like how it came out, but this came out actually very nice, and it has little hangers. I got the stencils for these on Amazon also, and you can put these on a Christmas tree. Very pretty. It's very shiny. The mica powder I used, it mixed so well with the resin, and it looks like there's actually glitter in it. And there's gold all around it. This is a coaster. It's supposed to be a coaster. So looking very, very nice. So I just want to show you for what I'm gonna show you next, because I've been hoarding these. These little, it's not glitter, but it's like a shiny paper embellishments for the resins. So like over here, these have little gold ones. These are different color, and I just wanted to see how it comes out, and I think these are really good quality, so I'm gonna order more of these in different color, and then we can decorate them. I think these are always really, really good additions, and they sparkle a lot. Alright, two more things. These are frames. Little picture frames. Silicone picture frames. Also got these on Amazon. Although I'm not gonna put the link for this one because I'm afraid it might be not a good quality, so I don't want to promote it in case it's not good, because I can't really look at it and I don't know, I just get this feeling that it's too small, maybe it's too thin. If I put the resin in, it will rip it off. And also that little line the outside line is so thin. So I definitely want to try these out if it's good before I give you the link to check it out. I don't want you to buy anything that's not good and waste your money on it, so definitely gonna test these. But it's something I had in the box. Okay, the last one for this video is also for resin, and this, ooh! It came in with a really awesome tool, which I have a few of these in different shape. I love these tools. And this one actually has a little thing. I don't have that on my other tools. Alright, so these gold, silver, and bronze flakes. Absolutely beautiful. There is so much in it. This is packed all the way to the top. They were not wasting air. Because often there's just a lot of air on top. Not in this one. Not in this one. So it's worth every penny. Look how much is in there. And honestly, you need... no, not a single drop will go to waste. You don't even need a lot of this when you're making a coaster. You just need a couple. So this will last you maybe 2-3 years depending on how much you make. Yeah, I think it's really worth it because look, let's see, is this full too? Yeah, it's full all the way to the top, so definitely worth the price, and you get the tool too. Alright, so that was it for today Amazon haul video. I hope you liked it. Yeah, check out the link down below, read the feedbacks, and who knows, maybe you'll find something you like. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and don't forget there's an open giveaway going on right now.